Damn.
Alright, we got Kenny Rain and Yungsantana.
How y'all doing? How you doing?
How you doing, man?
Sean Baird on the
bro?
couch. We got Scissors behind the board.
What you guys' name again?
Yungsantana.
Kenny Rain.
That's Kenny Rain.
Where y'all from?
Waldorf.
Okay. Now how long y'all been doing music?
It's 2020.
So like a year and a half.
I've probably been doing music since like 2018.
Okay.
But like I just started getting serious though last November, so like a year for real.
Gotcha. Now how old are you?
22.
I'm 22 as well.
For real?
Jeez, you feel me? We just youngins.
Alright, let's go.
Let's get it, man.
You take the mask off?
Yeah, y'all take them off.
So.
Cause girl, I'm feeling you and you won't leave my mind, yeah. And I've been getting to it, I can't waste no time, yeah. I might be feeling you, but I don't got the time, yeah. I don't got the time, yeah. Can we press rewind, yeah? Cause girl, I'm feeling you and you won't leave my mind, yeah. And I've been getting to it, I can't waste no time, yeah. I might be feeling you, but I don't got the time, yeah. I don't got the time, yeah. Can we press rewind, yeah? See, I'm just thinking about everyday life and all these bitches in my life that I can't seem to do right. I'm fighting battles up a hill, guess I'm losing the fight. You were the one I thought was real, brought the fake to the light. Maybe I'm just fucking scared that I can't do you right. So I'm just laying in my bed, contemplating on life. Like, can we press rewind? Can we please put up a fight? Yeah, cause girl, I'm feeling you and you won't leave my mind, yeah. And I've been getting to it, I can't waste no time, yeah. I might be feeling you, but I don't got the time, yeah. I don't got the time, yeah. Can we press rewind, yeah? Cause girl, I'm feeling you and you won't leave my mind, yeah. And I've been getting to it, I can't waste no time, yeah. I might be feeling you, but I don't got the time, yeah. I don't got the time, yeah. Can we press rewind, yeah?
Can we press rewind, yeah? Still wish you was mine, yeah. Knew it with 2 doors when we take off, feel like we flying, yeah. Took a couple losses, I ain't stopped, I kept on grinding. I've been on my shit and I've been selfish with my time, yeah. And it's some shit that took a minute to write. I tried to sister, try to think, but it was too hard to write. And I've been focused on my wrongs, do I really do right? And it's some shit that I had said and that shit wasn't right. But look, cause girl, I'm feeling you and you been on my mind, yeah. And I've been getting to it, I can't waste no time, yeah. I might be feeling you, but I don't got the time, yeah. I don't got the time, yeah. Can we press rewind, yeah? Cause girl, I'm feeling you and you been on my mind, yeah. And I've been getting to it, I can't waste no time, yeah. I might be feeling you, but I don't got the time, yeah. I don't got the time, yeah. Can we press rewind, yeah? Can we press rewind?
Cause baby, I don't got the time.
Yeah, can we press rewind?
Cause baby, I don't got the time, baby. I've been on my grind,
Yeah, can we press rewind?
Cause baby, I don't got the time.
Yeah, can we press rewind?
Cause baby, I don't got the time, baby. I've been on my grind, yeah.
Thanks, nigga. Out there.
Too hard, bro. It's hard. I like that a lot.
Appreciate you, brother.
Y'all group or y'all just came together for this?
Man, I don't even know how to explain it.
It's like we a group, but we all, you know, we all work and support each other. You feel me?
Y'all like ASAP?
Yeah,
type shit.
Like
You feel me?
ASAP. We just don't got a collective name yet. We just go by our single artist names.
Exactly.
Y'all gotta have a collective name. Put it all together. Make it a movie. Nah, I fuck with the song.
Appreciate it.
I'm gonna give y'all my
Like off the jump, when the first jump came in, bro was like, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, that was fucking. That's when I see him move. Okay, let's get it.
This nigga Kenny was standing like this at first. I'm like, Kenny, what the fuck is you doing, man? I saw them though.
You had the hand sanitizer.
Some hand.
I'm still working on that.
150 times more confident though now that I know the nigga with dreads was recording off his shit. I ain't see him. Well, I don't know. He could have recorded other niggas
Said he
too.
only be fucking with people he fuck with.